In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your wallet address on the Crypto.com app in 2025. If you've ever found yourself unsure of how to locate this vital piece of information, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's go through each step together and make sure you can confidently navigate the app. First, you'll want to start by opening the Crypto.com application on your mobile device. It's important to ensure that your app is up to date, as an outdated version might have a different interface, which could make following along a bit challenging. Once you have the app open, you'll be greeted by the main screen, which houses various options and features. Now, look for the deposit icon. It's usually recognizable as an icon featuring 3 lines or a similar indicator that signifies menu options. Go ahead and tap on it. This gesture will direct you to a section where you can choose between different deposit options. It's here that you'll need to decide whether you're interested in depositing cryptocurrency or cash. This choice will dictate the next steps, so think about what you're looking to deposit. When you're ready, select crypto as your deposit type. This action will prompt a list of various cryptocurrencies supported by the app. Here you'll notice a variety of options. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you're interested in. Don't worry if you're unsure. The selection process will provide you with additional guidance and details about each crypto option. After you've chosen the type of cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, you'll be directed to a new page where you must select the appropriate network. The app will list all available networks for the cryptocurrency you've selected. Review them carefully and determine which network best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, enable the chosen network. With the network selected, your next move is to tap on the barcode icon. This button is generally found toward the bottom of the screen. Clicking this icon reveals your wallet address, a string of numbers and letters that functions as a digital location for your funds. It's critical to make sure you're using the correct wallet address when conducting transactions to prevent any loss of funds. Take note of your wallet address. You can copy it directly from the app if needed. Then, with this address, you're ready to proceed with any deposits or transfers you intend to make. The address identification step is crucial, so take a moment to double-check your information. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, locating your Crypto.com wallet address is now a task you can easily manage. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher. Happy trading!